All right, so I'm having a bit of an issue with my Chinese diesel heater in here. Let me show you what's going on. So basically when I turn it on and I come outside and this happens. So yeah, basically I end up with this smoke machine instead of this. So you can still hear the fuel pump pumping, clicking away, click, 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 click. And eventually the fuel pump will shut off. And now once it's shut off, it seems like it's gonna die, but then the flame kicks in and all the white smoke goes away. You ready? Bring it in closer so you can hear it. There, did you hear that? And now the smoke's gone. So the flame is lighting. It's just having some trouble. Maybe it's a fuel delivery issue. I don't think it's the glow plug. Seems like what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to take it out of the trailer, take it into the garage, take it apart, and see if there's anything obvious that's causing a problem. Okay, and then there's this stuff on the inside. This stuff looks kind of important. I've got to get inside here. The blower assembly off. Now what I'm trying to get at, this is the burner here. There's a little hole somewhere here. Oh, there it is. I can just barely see it. It's behind this. It's right back here. So I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna take the glow plug off to get in there. There's the glow plug. It's white. What does that mean? I don't know. I'm asking. Is it good? Bad? It's got white on it. White smoke? Bad, right? Okay. Good? I don't know. You're asking the wrong guy. And this burner. Oh, this pops. Oh shoot, this gasket. I don't want to mess up this gasket. Let me use it. Oh, fuck, I ripped it. Oh well. All right, so some ash is coming out of there. I don't know. Everything looks fine. Here, let's see if I can get a light in here so we can see. I mean, that looks okay, right? I don't know. I don't know what I'm looking at. Do you? It's not like gummed up or anything. And then the hole that I was talking about is this guy right here, just on the side there. And it's open. If you look on the inside there too, like it's pretty clean. It's not gummy or gunky or anything. So, On top, we have this little sensor thing here. I wonder if maybe that has something to do with it. So I gotta try to pop this off. Everybody knows if you're gonna try to pry something off, you gotta use a flathead screwdriver. Gee. Oh, did I break that thing? Oh no, wait. The hell's that? I don't know. There's nothing even on there. All right, well, that was... Put that back on. I don't even know what that does. You know what that does? Let me know in the comment. Oh, it's probably a thermistor, thermometer. I think a pair of pliers would come in handy here, hey? Man, when that thing popped off there, I thought for sure that I broke it. I'm kind of stumped. Not that I knew what. I mean, I didn't expect to look in here and be like, oh, I know what the problem is. I don't know anything about anything. All right, one other thing I should probably check is the intake and the exhaust. Oh wait, the intake is here, so that's fine. The exhaust is clear. I mean, it's got some soot in it, but it's clear. Maybe I'll try running it. I'll try starting it without the exhaust pipe hooked up. Maybe it's the exhaust pipe. Okay, I'm gonna pretend like this just didn't happen and put it back together and see what happens. Okay, so I got this back in place. Next thing I need to do, so I'm just gonna turn this on. I very nicely created a new problem for myself. So when I turn it on, wait for a couple seconds, error 6. So let's look that up. Okay, so it's a thing with the fan. So basically, when I took this off initially, this was stuck. So I should probably fix it. Sounds like there's something obstructing the fan. All right, well, it's a lot quieter without the cover on. So I'll put the cover back on and go outside and check the smoke machine. So I have left the exhaust and the intake left off. Wait a second, that's not gonna work. Exhaust is gonna go in the intake. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna attach the intake, leave the exhaust off. Okay, so here we are underneath, and the pump is going, and there's no smoke. There's a little tiny bit of smoke. This will probably clear when it heats up. Well, I did nothing and fixed the problem, it looks like. Although, let's see what happens when I put the exhaust pipe on. Okay, so everything's back together, and I just heard the fuel pump kick on, and the flame came right on, no white smoke. So there you go. If you have a smoke machine for a Chinese diesel heater, take it apart, put it back together, don't do anything, fix the problem. Easy fix. All right, see you in the next video.